In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download your data query into an Excel file and then to convert that Excel file into a Word document in order to print labels with whatever information you need. So first, get your data query set up with all the information you need. If you have a data query already set up with all your important information, you can use that one. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to export it into an Excel file first. Click the check mark to export it. Then you're going to open it up. Click Enable Editing, File, Save As, and just save it as something you'll remember. So I'm just going to save it as File 1. Perfect. Then you can close that, and you are going to open a blank Word document. Once in the Word document, you're going to go to the Mailings tab up at the top. In there, you're going to click Start Mail Merge, and then select the Labels option from the drop-down box. Once you get there, you're going to pick the type of labels that you have that you would like to print on. My labels are Avery brand, so I chose that. And then the number on the box was 8160. So you can just look at the box you have, but this is a standard mailing label size. Then click OK. Once you've done that, you're going to click Select Recipients and use an existing list. This is where you're going to connect your Excel file that you just downloaded. So go to your downloads, pick the file, double click it, and then you're going to export it. Perfect. This is where you select the information that you want to put in there. So you're going to select Insert Merge Fields. Once you click that, it's going to have all your different titles. So for example, if you want a label that just has the student's name and number, then you can just choose those two, or you can choose all of them. So first I'm going to do the name, insert, and then I'm going to select enter to go down to the next line. You can also just leave a space by clicking the space bar. So then I'm going to do the student number, insert, enter, and then I'm also going to add their birth date. But like I said, you can add as much or as little information as you would like. Insert. Perfect. So now that I have those three in there, formatted the way I want, I'm going to click Update Labels. Okay. So now these are all matching. And then finally, you're going to click Finish and Merge. And there you're going to click Edit Individual Documents. On here, it's asking which fields you want. So for example, the data query, I have 20 students, but I always just like to do from 1 to 30 because 30 is the standard number of labels per page. Click OK, and ta-da! There are your labels, or your page formatted for your labels, so you can click print and it will print on your labels.